How to edit shortcut on Snapchat. In this video, I will show you how can you easily edit shortcut in Snapchat. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, firstly open your Snapchat application and click a random photo to send as a snap. After that, click on send to, and as you can see, you can select the person with whom you want to share the snap. After that, if you want to create a group with them, click on the option at the top right corner. Now, if you want to create a shortcut way, click on the plus icon and then choose the emoji with which you want to indicate the shortcut. Now choose the person whom you want to add in this shortcut and create on create shortcut. And that's all. That is how easily you can edit shortcut in Snapchat. Now if you want to share snap easily without taking much time, you can easily click on the emoji and the person will be selected automatically. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.